Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 5 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna go to Insert tab and insert a picture and change its aspect ratio to 16:9 and duplicate it and place it onto the first one. Now instead of freeform shape and you're going to trace out the mountain peak. So this freeform shape is really easy to make. What you have to do is just move the line and press one time, like click one time, one single time to check mark your previous point. From there you want to stop and then you're gonna move into a straight line to make a straight of shape line, and this is how you do it. We're gonna trace this mountain up till its end peak, and similarly we're gonna move in a like straight pattern. Now move it till end and move it till the left end and move it and join it with the starting point. So our shape is ready. Remove its outline, select the image, then the shape, and then intersect it. So this is what we have right now. The next thing we're going to do is insert a text box for the title. Increase its size, use a bold font for it. The font I'm using is Arial Black. Give it a center and a middle, send it to the back. Alignment, we're going to change this color to white. We're going to give it a glow of white color as well. The next thing we're going to do is just insert another checkbox to give a subtitle, change its color to white as well, give it some spacing and change its font as well, bold it again. So this is what we have right now. The next thing we're going to do is insert our title or our logo or our company's name that is making this template. So I'm just going to use a sample company name. You can later customize it if you want. By the way, let me tell you this again that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. When you click that link, you'll go into a drive link, and from there, you're gonna open up the slide and you'll be directed to the Google Slides. From there, you can just click on a download option and then you can download it as a PowerPoint template, and then you can just unzip it from your file folder, and then you can just like edit it in your own PowerPoint. So now let's align these text box horizontally and then vertically as well. We'll move them downwards. Next, we're gonna go to insert tab and shapes, and then we're gonna insert a person, search for a person, and we're gonna go and insert this small tiny shape. Insert a circle, change its height and weight to 1%, 1 centimeter. Then you're gonna remove it fill, give it an outline, change this icon's color to white as well. We're gonna put it into the middle and let's just move it right here without the text box, and then we're gonna insert three straight lines for right here to make like that opens the navigation pane. From here you can like do anything from your website. So we're just gonna move it downwards. This is just for decoration, and so this is how it looks right now. The next thing you're gonna do is just insert a text box in which you're gonna add your slogan text. So right now what I'm writing is don't just see, go visit it, which is just a perfect slogan for a traveling company. We're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle, make it fully rounded, remove its fill, give it an outline, and then insert some text in it. Change this color to white and move it downwards down the slogan text. The next thing we're gonna do is change its weight. Go to insert tab and pictures, and I'll just insert 3 to 4 icons that are for social media accounts, and you can hyperlink your social media links here. So this is how it looks. Duplicate the slides, select all of the text, go to the first slide, and move them out of the slide, either onto the left side. So what I do is the text that is more nearer to the top, I just move it onto the top, and that is the more nearer to the bottom, I will move it to the bottom out of the slide. And the text that is more nearer to the left or to the right side, I'll move them into the left or right side respectively. So for this huge title, we're just gonna move it downwards behind the mountain peak. And so this is everything that we did. Select both the templates, go to transition step, and then give them more transition. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can also watch out our other videos to get more amazing templates ideas like these.